Welcome to my drone video of the historic Fort Travis, a 60-acre military site with bunkers. The fort is located in an area known as Bolivar Point on the extreme west side of the Bolivar Peninsula in Galveston County, Texas. Mexican maps from 1816 show that earthworks were built here. 2 years later, Dr. James Long led 300 men in an attempt to liberate Spanish Texas. He established fortifications here in 1819, which were known as Fort Las Casas. During the winter of 1820, Long's wife, Jane Long, remained behind and gave birth to a daughter. Jane became known as the Mother of Texas. Samuel Parr started a settlement in 1838 that would become Port Bolivar. The original Fort Travis was actually located on the east end of Galveston. The present location was actually known as Confederate Fort Green. Construction of Fort Travis began in April of 1898 and was completed in October of 1899. The fort was named in honor of Lieutenant Colonel William Barrett Buck Travis, who was a Texian Army officer and a lawyer. He is known for helping set the Texas Revolution in motion during the Anahuac disturbances and defending the Alamo mission during the Battle of the Alamo in 1836. The federal government purchased 97 acres in 1898 and completed batteries Ernst and Davis. After the 1900 Galveston hurricane, a 17-foot seawall was built for storm protection. Battery Kimball was built in 1925, and battery number 236 was completed in 1943. Armament consisted of two 12-inch guns on barbette carriages, which you can see in this video, and 3-inch rapid-fire guns. In 1949, the installation was declared surplus and sold. In 1973, the Galveston County Commissioners Court purchased the site for use as a public park. The park and playground are located within the boundaries of historic Fort Travis. The property is under the jurisdiction of the Galveston County Department of Parks and Cultural Services. There are several amenities such as cabanas, camping areas, 3 covered picnic areas, and 3 wetland overlooks. The site was added to the National Register of Historic Places in Galveston County on the 30th of March, 2006. Battery 236 was built at the start of World War II. This battery contained 2 6-inch guns with a casement that included a power plant. During the war, 2,500 troops were stationed at Fort Travis. Battery Kimball was built between August 1917 and August 1922 and named after Major Edwin Kimball, who was killed during World War I. This battery contained 12-inch guns with a range of 17 miles.